Hey guys, in this video we're checking out the best pomades for thick hair. For you right now available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. REUZEL Blue Pomade. The founders of REUZEL started learning men's haircutting when they were just 14 years old. With their love of classic barbering and the influences of rock and roll, custom culture, and its subcultures, it was inevitable that one day Lean and Burtis would open Shoreham Harsnider and Barber. The house of REUZEL. Lean and Burtis wanted to cut every man the perfect hairstyle, proper pork chop. And to provide a haven. A barbershop. A place men could trust the products and enjoy the company. Those classic styles and hot towel shaves are still around. And the traditions that created them have kick-started a bit of a riot. At number 4. American Crew Pomade. American Crew has been redefining what it means to be a well-groomed man. Innovative grooming products and pioneering education have been defining grooming for 25 years. Creating and caring for everything needed in men's styles. American Crew is a leader in men's grooming for hair, body, shave, style, cologne, and skincare categories. As the global leader in men's grooming and the official supplier to men, American Crew's ongoing commitment to elevate men's style and enhance their personal image by providing education and marketing to share the brand's vision. At number 3. Suavecito Pomade Firme. Our awesome-smelling water-based pomades are made to keep your hair in place for the full day and into the night if need be. They apply effortlessly with their creamy consistency and provide a fierce grip for slickbacks, pompadours, side parts or any hairstyle you need. They wash out with just water and no extra effort, leaving your hair feeling just as it did before you put it in. You don't even need shampoo to clean this stuff out. They set with a light hold pomade, medium, original hold pomade, or strong, Firme hold pomade, firmness and a healthy medium shine. There are no harsh chemicals and unlike a gel they never flakes on you. At number 2. Rocky Mountain Barber Company Pomade for Men. Are you interested in a pomade that is suitable for a wide array of different styles, cuts, and types of hair, including thick hair? Well, Rocky Mountain Barber Company has just the right thing for you. This pomade is water-based, which means it is extremely easy to apply and wash away. You will not have to worry about greasiness or the potential damage oil-based pomades can do to your hair. The really cool thing about this pomade is that it contains beeswax. This gives it an excellent shine and versatility. What is more, you can easily restyle your hair at any time during the day. The scent is very mild and light, almost too light, so depending on your preferences, this may be a good or a bad thing. Finally at number 1. Suavecito Shine Free Matte Pomade. This pomade by Suavecito is an excellent choice for anyone that is looking for a high-quality tried and tested product by a well-known brand. It has a medium hold with a matte finish, which makes it suitable for all kinds of different haircuts, styles, and occasions. Even small amounts can be enough to style your hair, and it lasts a really long time too. And let's not forget it is a water-soluble pomade, which means it will easily wash away in the shower. You do not have to worry about messy oils, greasiness, or white residues. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.